Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp incoming call not showing on iPhone screen. If you are using any iPhone or iPad or any other phone or your WhatsApp incoming call is not showing on your screen, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first you have to open your settings. In settings you have to simply go for apps and then go for WhatsApp. Once you find WhatsApp, select that and here you'll get the option of notifications. You have to make sure that you have enabled anything from here. You have to first of all you have to enable all our notifications, and then you have to also enable these all toggles. Once you have done, you just have to go back, and here it will almost fix your issue. Or if this doesn't work for you, you have to open your WhatsApp, then go for settings in the bottom right corner, then go for notifications, and you have to enable your notifications from here, and you have to enable sound. Select any sound from here and then select the all toggles enabled from here, and once you have done, it will almost fix your issue. Or you have to try to reset notification settings from here, and after that you just have to go back, go for chat. If you're having issue only for a specific chat, so you just have to open the chat here, then go for notifications, and you have to enable, and you have to also make sure that you're not enable the mute notifications from here, and after that it will almost fix the issue. But if it's still having the same issue, so you have to try to update your WhatsApp. Open App Store, go for search and search for WhatsApp, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update here. If you have, try to update your WhatsApp, and after that your issue will be fixed. In this way you can easily fix your WhatsApp incoming call not showing on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.